Hi everybody, my name's Jennifer and I want to talk to you guys a little bit about APA, citation style, and using some of the APA citation tools that we have in our various databases put together by publishers. So a number of you, and I found this out sort of by accident, a number of times students will copy and paste the APA citation from EBSCOhost or ProQuest, wherever, and they think that the citation is going to be absolutely right. And I'm sure you've seen different disclaimers at the university library saying that the citation tool should be checked. And honestly, I didn't believe it either until I started seeing for myself some returns for citations that just weren't right. And if you don't check this, you're going to most likely lose some points here and there. So what I want to do is do a live demonstration, since I'm doing a screencast, and show you guys how this works. So a number of students lately are doing topics on homelessness, so I'm going to go into the quick search here, and I'm going to type in homelessness, and there it goes, homelessness, and I'm going to hit search, and you know, the return comes through and it takes a little bit of time, so I'm waiting for it to come back. And you know, typically you do want to choose peer-reviewed sources, but for our purposes today, I'm just going straight out and choosing homelessness. So I'm going to pick the first source here to see what we get. I'm going to choose an article because this is something I want to take a look at, and it does happen to be peer-reviewed, so that's good. We're going to choose an article, and we're going to click on the link. It will work. And now you see that we have a return. Let's click on citation. And now what's happening here is that this citation looks okay, but it's only one word. So let's get out of here and choose a different citation. And I have a point with all of this here. And let's choose another article. Which is another peer-reviewed article. And sometimes these take time. We will choose citation. Okay, now this article is not cited correctly in APA. Now the order is right. We have the authors and we have the date, but check this out here. Prevalence should be the only word capitalized in this sentence except for United States. We use lowercase in APA citation unless it's a proper noun after the first word. And this is just a convention of APA, but this is also a convention of something that you'll be graded on frequently. So as you can see that this citation does not come back correct. Now what happens is students will say, copy to my clipboard, and they'll copy it and they'll pop it right into their document. You'll also notice that the citation is not in Times New Roman format, so you're going to lose at least 2 points on this one. And depending on the instructor, it could be 1 point for the font, 1 point for the C, 1 point for the Y, 1 point for the H. I'm like, what are we going at now? 4 or 5 points gone. So check your citations. When they come back from the library, it is a good service, but don't count on them. The publishers are in the business to get the information out there. They're not in the business of making sure that you have the best grade possible. Something to think about. Anyway, if you have any questions about this, reach out to the Writing Center, reach out to me, reach out to your instructor, and just be aware. Now that you've seen this live in action, you can now see that you have to be very careful. Thanks and have a good day.